Stratford Career Institute is proud to offer our new bicycle mechanic course. Whether you're interested in repairing bikes as a hobby or a potential career, we've got you covered. This comprehensive course reviews the maintenance, repair, restoration, and construction of road bikes, cyclocross bikes, mountain bikes, and custom-built bikes. You will even learn how to start your own bicycle mechanic business. Along the way, you'll learn valuable skills like using tools of the trade, performing basic maintenance, making emergency repairs, following workshop safety, planning and designing custom bikes, restoring bikes, creating business plans, and so much more. Our home study course prepares students to make repairs on their own bikes, perform general bicycle maintenance, or begin entry-level employment at a bike shop. Get started by signing up for Stratford Career Institute's Bicycle Mechanic Training course today.